How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Here's how to unblock someone on Snapchat in just a few taps. Quick, easy, and totally free to do. Step 1. Launch Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji or profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This takes you to your account dashboard. Step 2. In your profile, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Step 3. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the blocked section. This shows a list of everyone you've blocked on Snapchat. Step 4. Look through the list and find the username or display name of the person you want to unblock. Step 5. Once you find them, tap the small X or unblock button next to their name. Snapchat will ask you to confirm. Just tap yes or unblock. Step 6. After unblocking, they won't be automatically added back as a friend. So if you want to reconnect, go to the search bar, type their username, and tap add friend if their profile appears. Just a little heads up, unblocking someone means they'll be able to see your public stories and send you snaps again, depending on your privacy settings. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.